welcome to the video. Finding purpose with your life. For me, for many years, I was living a life of self-destruction, partying, drinking, drug abuse, and ultimately at the same time I was aware that what I was doing was not for the highest good. And during them times I would also have the feeling inside that it was meant for more. One, meant for more than being a fucking loser, and two, there was so much more than the job and the person that I've been living for so many years. And for many years I'd wrestled back and forth of finding stability and, you know, toning things down, ultimately reverting back to the same patterns that really I should have outgrown way before. So the point of this video is that there'll come a point where the voices inside, or the universal nudges, as it were, will get louder, stronger and stronger, the more you live as your false self. And for me, that's exactly what happened. So amongst the daily grind, you know, I would turn up and do my job properly, and I was good at my work, but I would light the candle at both ends, drinking in the week, doing other things, not much sleep, not eating right, winking days, feeling like shit all the time. And if I was to tell you, how on earth are you going to find your purpose living in that state, or in that environment? You simply not. And the universe isn't going to come through and go, here mate, here's a great idea. The inspiration you'll probably get will probably come from lack, fear, tiredness, force, and other examples, just to name a few. But the point is that for you to embody your purpose, or find out what your purpose is, you've got to give up the very things that are holding you back. And until you do that, your life is going to be scattered. You may invest, you may earn some money, you may do a couple of side jobs, or do a bit of this and a bit of that, and earn a bit of cash here and there. But ultimately, it leads you straight back to where you were before, and nothing's really changed. So the point of this video is purely to reach those that are in that back and forth, and just to make you lock in in the way that you're going to cut out the noise. You're not going to listen to everyone else telling you what you should and you shouldn't be doing, and the phone rings on a Friday and Saturday and all your mates are doing the same shit they were doing 10-15 years ago, but they've got all the great ideas at 2-3 o'clock in the morning, but neither of them have actually ever done anything. Some of them have probably never even been to work that week, but they'll tell you how everything should be. And sorry to go on for a rant, but it's so important that your purpose in this life was not to behave that way. And I'm not saying you can't go out and enjoy yourself or have a party here and there, that's not what I'm saying. But for you to find what you're really here for, you're going to have to cut that noise out and put it aside. Let them crack on and go and lose more years of their life and think they're cool doing flipping reels and TikTok shit off their faces. You'll get to a point where you'll just look at it and just think, really? It's actually very, very sad. So again, if you are watching this video, for so much more. And your purpose will come, but you have to change your daily routines. When you change your daily routines and your patterns, that's when the clarity will come into your mind. That's when your mind strengthens. When you're not buried with the noise and the distractions from the outside world. At that point then, that's when things will start moving for you. And it will move so much quicker than what you would believe. But the only thing that will be holding you back is the people, the environment, and the outside noise. It's designed to keep you stuck. And I'm not saying friends and people don't mean well, I'm not saying that. But there's more to life. So if you have watched this video up until now, I appreciate you locking in. And you've got this. Things will make sense. Things will fall into place. That I can assure you. And you'll get to a point where you just don't care what anyone else is doing anymore. And that is where the growth really happens. So again, if you're watching this video, please give me a thumbs up and a like and subscribe. Or if you want to reach out, so excuse the wind, I'm on top of a hill in England. It's flipping freezing. But yeah, get out amongst it. Cut out all the drama, all the noise, all the gossip. Lock in on yourself. You're only here once. Don't screw it up. Especially don't screw it up for standing in somebody's kitchen or drinking in the week because you feel like you've basically treaded water for a few hours of the week and you think you're entitled to a bender. Or every party or every meal that somebody attends, you've got to be there. No, you haven't. No, you haven't. Your purpose will come when you cut out the noise. That I promise you. So again, if you did like this video and it resonated with you, I'm much appreciated. I'm new to this YouTube malarkey, but if you want to reach out to me or check out some of my links down below in the description, I'll be more than willing to help you and connect with you if there's any advice that you need. But in the meanwhile, just keep doing you, keep showing up for you, because nobody else is going to.